We're out here trying to save the beavers' lives. Cleaning out the spillway. This is Power Bates Reservoir, man-made lake, or reservoir for years ago. Now it's just a lake that's been here for many years. But the beavers, busy beavers, you know how they say, busy as a beaver, don't like running water. They want it to be still, so they clog up this dam, but that raises the water levels too high. We made a deal with the homeowners around the lake that if we clean out the spill well, they won't kill the beavers. What good-natured people we are. Here's Griswold. Look at this beautiful rescue dog. She's beautiful. What's her name again? Ari. Ari! Ari! Hey, Ari! Come on! Grizzy's having a nice little chow down with the beaver stick. It's gonna be spilling any time now. Oh, see a little opening right there. Once this thing starts going, once that, looks like it's thinking about it. It's all that mud, muck, and shit right there. Well, as you can see down here, can't get it all. As you start taking it out, it eventually just goes. You get the big ones out, and oh, here it goes. Here it goes. Oh, the pressure. The pressure! There it goes! Yeah! And the spillway has been released. Look at that fill up so quick. Wow. Wow. I mean, down below it's still going wicked slow, but that's going to be flooded now. We just had a hurricane. Hurricane Sandy Valentine. Came through and demolished some places, but not around here. Wow, look at the flowage now. And this is what we do every couple of weeks. We keep the beavers in shape, you know. If we let them just clog it up, then they would have no work to do. Grizzy, be good. No, back up. Yeah, they would not survive that. Hey, Grizzy, be good. Grizzy? She walked by, they ran behind me, and I'm like, oh fuck, if she goes to attack her while I'm right here. Look at that. Look at that updraft right there. You fall in that, you're stuck right there underwater. All done. And then the hypothermos will get you. Alright. And that's our National Geographic 101. Nature at its best right there. At its best. It's kind of pretty how the water goes over that spillway. So perfectly, so smooth.